Multiverse according to quantum mechanics. The many worlds interpretation, the quantum multiverse. So this is the multiverse you hear about in pop culture, the one where every quantum possibility actually happens in a separate parallel universe. What it says in the standard quantum mechanics, a particle exists in a superposition, a cloud of multiple possible states at one. Particle is not spinning up, spinning down. When you measure it, the particle collapses into just one definite state. The many worlds twist. In 1957, physicist Hugh Everett III argued that there is no collapse. Instead, the mathematics of quantum mechanics works perfectly fine if you treat the entire universe as a single quantum wave functions. When you measure a particle, the universe simply splits. In one branch, the particle is spin up; in another, it is spin down. You, the observer, also split. There is a you and in every branch, experiencing different outcomes. So, what this means for God, this view removes the need for a divine observer to collapse the wave functions. It paints a universe of infinite branching possibilities with no cosmic selection. It is a purely deterministic mechanical process. The scientific status. Uh, Many physicists love this interpretation because it is mathematically elegant. You don't need to add any extra rules to quantum mechanics. However, it comes with a massive downside. We cannot observe or test the other branches because they are completely disconnected from our universe. The many world interpretation is currently unforeseeable, meaning, strictly speaking, it is a philosophical preference, not a proven scientific fact.